Welcome, contact us jp@jsgip.com WhatsApp +86187611953338 Changpu. The ultrasonic spot welding machine is a cutting-edge industrial tool that revolutionizes material bonding through high-frequency ultrasonic vibration. Operating on the principle of converting electrical energy into mechanical vibrations, typically 20到40 kHz, the machine generates localized heat at the contact points of workpieces, creating strong, seamless joints without the need for adhesive, solder, or additional plastic. This non-invasive bonding process preserves material integrity, avoids thermal damage, and ensures consistent joint strength, making it a preferred solution across diverse manufacturing sectors. Engineered for precision and efficiency, the machine features a robust transducer, adjustable outputs for controls, and a responsive welding head that delivers accurate spot bonds with minimal cycle times, often under second per spot. Its durable construction, including a reinforced steel frame and wear-resistant components, supports continuous high-volume production while maintaining operational stability. Advanced safety features such as overload protection, emergency stop buttons, and automatic frequency tracking enhance usability, adapting to varying material thicknesses and ensuring reliable performance in dynamic factory environments. Versatile by design, the ultrasonic spot welding machine excels in bonding thermoplastics, for example,